Bring your screens to life with real-time detailed weather updates. Display temperature, real feel, air quality, wind direction, visibility, and more to keep teams and guests informed at a glance. To set up the Weather Wall app, go to the Apps tab and select Weather Wall. Give the app a name and an optional description. You can display weather information from your player's location or select a custom location. Add a location header or leave it blank to see the city of the chosen location. Select the temperature unit you want the weather to be displayed in. You can also show the temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit if wanted. Then choose the measurement system you want to use, kilometers or miles. Format the language, date, and time. Now you can style the app by selecting a theme, uploading your own logo, and the orientation of the app. The animated theme is the default option. The background changes automatically based on the weather conditions. The classic theme offers full customization for colours and background image. And the glass theme automatically displays curated background images based on the current weather. Let's pick animated. You can customize the advanced settings to add tags to the app or set the default duration if needed. Then save your app and it will be ready to display. Just add the app to your screen content and it will be on screen in seconds.